Hello friends! Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily change the language of the Messenger application on your iPhone. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under this video, and also write your comments. So, let's get started. If you would like to change the language in the Facebook Messenger app without completely changing the language of your entire device, it's actually very easy to do. To do that, please open up Settings and then scroll down. Go to the app, and here you will need to find Messenger. Next, when you go to this app, at the very bottom you will find the language option. Go to this option, and here you can choose any of the languages that you may have already added, or you can choose some language from the list that you will see. After that, just click on that language. And the next time you log into the Messenger app, you will see the changes. This is how very easy and fast you can change the language of the Messenger app. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and comments. See you soon.